Thank you for joining today's meditation. Today's focused mind-body meditation is really about relationship. Relationship to ourself is the doorway to all potentials. This is possibly the best equation that I have discovered while working with other couples in making decisions that are based on our heart's desire. Most often when we are making decisions, we have monkey mind. We are flooded with a number of different them, us, or dualistic thinking that adds with confusion. And what we really are looking for is to come into balance, to come into our heart. But first we have to access our brain and drop that awareness. This is the 21st century self-health care that includes the mind-body alignment. This is where we find our individual yet collective co-creative self. Now, I'd like to invite you to find a quiet place to close your eyes and beginning to shift your awareness from your mind down to your heart. Oftentimes, people place their hand to have a physical sensation that enlivens the heart area. Now, slow your breath down, maybe by taking a 5-second inhale, followed by a 5-second exhale. This literally puts ourselves in a very receptive and feeling state of safety and coherence. Keeping your inner awareness focused on the heart area. And keeping with your breath slow and rhythmic. Now I invite you to feel the feelings of appreciation, gratitude, care, and compassion. Staying in the feeling of feeling the sense of appreciation, gratitude, care, and compassion. Let us silently meditate. These short yet powerful meditations are really about harmony, peace, and balance with yourself so that you can extend from that centered place to another. My suggestion is to do this simple meditation 3 times a day upon waking up, once in the middle of the day, and then just as you're falling asleep. This pattern of meditation will help to anchor these resourceful, deeper, coherent states of being. Thank you very much for joining me. Namaste.